Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're logged in and ready. Open the offers area and locate the incoming offer now. Check the offered price, buyer location, and their feedback score so you know the risk. Make sure your listing terms, shipping cost, handling time, and return policy match what you're willing to do. If the numbers and timeline work, accept. If not, prepare a targeted counteroffer or politely decline. Once you've chosen, confirm payment method expectations so the buyer isn't surprised. Now focus on the specifics. Open the offer and read every line so you understand the total money you'll receive after fees and shipping. If the offer doesn't include shipping, calculate your actual margin before accepting. Consider buyer payment method and whether you require immediate payment. When supported, accepting triggers an invoice or payment request automatically. If you counter, set a clear new price and expiration date. Once accepted, you'll both be bound, so double-check handling time and any combined shipping adjustments. After accepting, send the invoice immediately if the platform doesn't auto-request payment and watch for confirmation. Once paid, package the item securely, upload tracking information, and mark it shipped so both of you are protected. Leave clear communication and feedback after delivery. If the buyer doesn't pay, send a polite reminder. If still unpaid, open the unpaid item process and cancel if required, then relist. If something goes wrong beyond that, contact eBay support with transaction details for resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.